Task Force Speaking Asynchronous Meeting. Student Heidi Caterina Guerrero López. Effects of the technology of the environment. In accordance with occurring in the technology debug, the impact they have in commercial mosaics days kept the background in the respect of the last thing that happened in the world, which implies having income about the most recent house and certificates, the most economical, professional, and with a future projection. How do you say the future of the planet? This positivo in the technology with the embrace is the implementation of the making in immortal managers. In the impacto that climate change and that in the last decade there is even that morning lodging for money have the interest 3 times and in the third 71. En mi opinión, population those engineering and shortage of natural reason because causes the disnutrition of ecosystem. How to limit the emergence in the nash, the effects and technology related to everything, in my opinion, have the win negative and the question in the evolution of the technology like but deterioration its subside the soil, the contribution to climate change, water pollution in the concentration on the house effect of energy. The reasons are in situations that everyday human being has they put in the front of the ground and the demands that they some human beings are for. How to do meeting the average done? This situation will result in poor scarce of the natural resource and the future generation will have the problem of the ocean. It is a reason because today we do not manage is the responsibility. It did that the solution start with house, housing, how and the family that can the responsibility for language and culture that of the taking about of the water reason. So the we however in futuro the for of children grandchildren or they have the reason of the planet. Thank you, student Heidi Guerrero.